Hello everyone. In the previous video, I explained you how we can loop through open workbooks and in sheets. In this video, I will explain you how we can loop through closed workbook and in sheets. For this, I have created two workbooks whose name are opening macro and trial. I will keep these two workbook close, and I have created third workbook that I have stored it in this folder whose name is book 1, and I will write the code for getting the close workbook and the sheet's name and paste it in sheet 1 of book 1. So this is the code that I will be using for pasting the name of close workbook and the sheets. First, let me run this code and show you what is the objective of this video. So this is an input box that is asking me the path where I have saved the close workbook. So this is the path. I have to copy this path and I have to paste it over here and OK. So what this code is doing is it is pasting the workbook name and the sheet name of all the sheets that are there in workbook. So I will take you through this code line by line. So first we are defining the variables. These variables are sheet has worksheet, book has workbook, directory and file name has string and ing as integer. First, we are cleaning all the cells that are there in sheet 1 of book 1. Then we are getting the path of close workbook whose detail we have to paste it in sheet 1 of book 1. So we have copied the path and we are pasting it over here. Now in order to see what is there in the close workbook, we have to open it first and then get the name of the sheet that are there in the close workbook. So in order to do this, we have to open the workbook and this will cause the screen updating. And if we want to stop this screen updating during our code, we can write as application.screenUpdating equals to false. Now this will stop the screen updating when new workbook file will open. Now this code will search for the first Excel file in a directory path that we have given. Now we are using the condition looping over here, so this loop will occur till the last Excel file in the folder. So now cell 1,1 will be storing the file name which is opening macro.excelsm in cell 1,1. So now it is opening the Excel file opening macro. Now we will be using the for loop to see all the sheets name that are there in opening macro workbook. So these are the sheet name and we are pasting it in sheet 1 of book 1. Here we are using the object hierarchy and then closing. And then this command will search for the next closed Excel file in the directory path that we have given, and the same procedure will follow. And now we have to turn on the screen updating option, and then our objective is achieved. We have pasted the closed workbook name and their worksheet name in sheet 1 of book 1. Thank you.